Yo, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Cookie Cutters. In today's episode, we are going to keep it chill. All we're doing is installing some window visors on Nelson's STI, but we just gotta wait for the guy to get here, man. Where's he at?
What are we doing here today?
So today we're doing a little install, some visors, some good little visors from Burnz Auto, you know, get the thing going. Want to do a little clip on it, you know.
It's gonna take three of us to install them, right?
Three of us to install one. I mean, one for each man. We need one more.
So we need another person.
We need another person. See, the funny thing is, though, I just noticed this. They
went through customs.
They went through customs, so I guess any Mexicans will be inside. You know, see, make sure there's no immigrants in there because they're coming over from overseas and shit.
In a window visor box.
In the window visor box. Open this a little bit more.
Let's open it up.
I like the Burnz Auto. It looks cool. And it's something inexpensive that I think I paid everything like, it was like maybe 80 bucks.
80 bucks?
80 bucks, so it's not too bad.
That's not bad.
I could have got OEM ones, but I was like, nah, these look nicer and
Pretty good.
I like them. So they have like a little design. Just a confidence builder is made in Taiwan, so.
Not China?
Not China.
Taiwan?
So, Taiwan.
Yeah, it comes with a double-sided tape. That's all you need.
Just good double-sided tape. Easy, it's pretty easy shit. I already washed my car, so it should be pretty good. I mean, it should be pretty good.
Not a will. Double-sided tape. Come on, it's 3M.
3M.
3M shouldn't let us down.
It should never let us down. This is how it looks like. Doesn't look that bad. It has a little concave look right there. I like it because I saw it on.
Make sure you put it on right and it doesn't fly off on the freeway like the one on my IS did.
Oh yeah, this one's back there. So this is for one side. I gotta see what this one looks like. It's for
the driver's
side.
Is it driver's side? Yeah.
Driver's side. Doesn't look that bad. It looks good. I just want to line it up. I already cleaned this damn car many times, so I think it should be fine. That's it. It's pretty much how more or less how it's gonna look. Alright,
there you go. Peel it. Put it on.
Let's see how this goes.
You're gonna peel it.
Fucking peel this motherfucker, but that's why I kind of present it. Let's see. I want it to look all fucked up. More or less.
We gotta peel the whole thing.
Should I just peel the whole thing?
Yeah, just peel the whole thing.
It's a little iffy.
The stress.
Stressing out. Too much pressure. Man, this thing is not cooperating with me today.
Double-sided tape, bro. That's how it is. That's how it be. There you go.
Fucking shit.
You gonna line it up and then put it on. Make sure it fits good, eh?
That's a one-time deal too.
You want some Windex so you can put Windex and then put it on? No, I'm just kidding. It's not a decal.
Not a decal. Looks like it's good there.
Yeah, it looks like it's good. Boom.
More or less.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Watch, you can't open your doors now.
I can't open it. I taped it. You got it across the other
window. Tape my door. Yeah.
Got it the other door and stuff. I mean, it's something more or less.
Let's see. That's what it looks like now. Oh yeah, 3,000 horsepower. Don't fuck with me.
Yeah, 3,000 horsepower. Don't fuck with me. Added some power out to this thing. There it is. Make sure you clean it really good because if you don't clean it really good, then it probably won't stick as well. That's it.
Oh, one down, 3 to go. There we go.
Nice.
So now we can do the rear one.
The rear one.
Make sure it lines up. Get all the spider webs in there. You know.
Yeah.
More sticky.
Just get one side first. Right there. And then the other side right here. More or less. I mean, it's more or less. Fuck it. I mean, whatever. Add some horsepower for the rain.
It's a little bit uneven, but it's all good. Oh yeah. Ah, it's okay.
Nah, they're gonna judge me. They're
That's
gonna
it.
judge me.
That's it. You can't go to Subi Fest now.
Can't go to Subi Fest now.
It's crooked.
Crooked.
I hit it with the heat torch.
Yeah.
And melt it.
Melt it off. That's
There you
it.
go. That looks good.
You guys are criticize me for that, then let me know.
Added horsepower. Right there, yeah, right there. Boom, landed. And then just follow the yellow brick road.
I'm not good at following any fucking road.
Good.
I think we're good. Almost had a fucking heart attack.
It's okay. If not, I have more double-sided tape in the garage. It's okay.
Yeah, I know. That's some there.
You can always retape it.
Whatever, I mean, I fucking tried. Sue me. It would take a fucking rocket scientist to do this. It looks alright, I mean, it's for right now. Burnz Auto.
We have, don't worry, you have the bay right here supporting you, bro.
The bay is supporting me.
The bay supporting you.
She's waiting for me on the other side.
She's waiting for you. She's waiting for you with the captain.
Captain.
All right.
Fuck.
Last one.
Last one. No pressure.
No pressure. No pressure. Line it up with the jam.
Line it up right there.
Yep.
Wow. Pretty good. It's not bad. Could have been worse.
There you go.
There it is. Looks decent.
Okay, we need 3 people to do this.
3 people.
Look at Alfredo right here. What's up, Alfredo? You've been quiet. Alfredo's a motorcycle.
Photos here to make sure I do it right.
He's a supervisor. He's the one that tells you you're fired or not.
You're fired, yeah, exactly.
I think he fired you after that
He fired me
incident.
for this one here that I did. I'm just not gonna wash my car. I'm just gonna whatever. I mean, it's not too bad. Some of it, look, for right here to know about these.
Yeah.
I tried lining it up with the body liner here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here doesn't line up too much. But if I do that, I line it up, but then I'm lining this up at the same time, and it doesn't. See how this side is
match over. Like this side is perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, see how it's perfect, and boom, it comes here. Look at this. So it doesn't really match up.
But it's good.
But it looks good. I like
It's
it.
not like they're gonna notice unless they're actually like criticizing your shit.
Yeah, but I mean, essentially, it's not a bad buy for like some $80 visor. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I don't know. It's good. I like Burnz all this stuff.
No, it's just
And they're
a matter
nice
of time.
people. That guy even emailed me saying, "No, thanks for buying it." And I buy some stuff from plenty of other places, and they don't give a shit about me. But these guys actually reached out to me, so I was like, "Okay, cool. These guys are cool, so I'm gonna buy more shit from them."
So what? They should sponsor you, or
I should sponsor me too. Shit, why not? Hey, I'm almost broke ass Subaru owner right here. But I got more stuff coming. Like I said, there's coilovers coming in. We're gonna do an install of those. We'll do a big reveal on the day we're gonna do it. And they're good coilovers. Just know that they're really good coilovers and they're good quality. And they ain't cheap. They ain't cheap. And then I'm still debating on what other little things I'm getting, but these are the little mods I'm doing. Visors, and then got some lug nuts, some super straight lug nuts. They're pretty nice. I like them. You know, they're really nice lug nuts, and it goes with the car a little bit. You know, these wheels suck to clean them, but whatever. And then
that Brembo brake dust? That's why.
yeah, and then on top of that, yeah, just doing that for now, and then we'll go from there. This build is gonna go slowly where it needs to be, and I have a lot more coming, so especially from us.
Yeah.
So subscribe, like, subscribe.
Comment.
You know what's up? Comment. Tell me what you think.
Yeah. Good, Alfredo.
We out.
Peace.
Hijo de su perra madre. Okay, no. Fuck. Did I
happened?
fuck it up? I think
How?
I might have fucked it up.
How?
Damn it. Did I fuck it up?